Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. This is DIY for Homeowners by Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we have 3 segments for you. We have a tech talk, we have a fast DIY, and you know what, just for fun, we've got some bloopers.
Did you see the project we posted last week? In last week's video, we actually showed you how to clean your shower with no scrubbing. And in fact, we have a giveaway of the product. We have 10 bottles of the product to give away, and we'll talk about that at the end of the show.
So, we're going to get right to it, and we're going to do a tech talk, and I'm going to leave it with you.
All right. Welcome to Tech Talk. One of our favorite things is adding smart home products to our house to help us be more efficient, to help us do things right from our phone, or to ask our assistant to do things. So this is probably our favorite assistant product out there. It's the Amazon products. I'm not going to say the word that it is. I'm just going to put it right here, because if you have one of these devices, if I say the word, I might actually make your device listen to me. So I'm just going to put for this so that it doesn't beep when I'm talking. But we really like this assistant. They have a lot of different products with this technology built in. This is the Amazon Tap, but there's also the Amazon Echo, the Dot. There's a lot of products. But what we like about this is if you have one of these devices, which are really affordable, all on Amazon, then you can get these other products that go along with this device. So this is the Echo Wall Clock, and I just ordered this and I wanted to unbox this and try to set it up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So it's very simple. It's a clock. So let me get this unboxed. And here it is. It's definitely plastic. It's very light, which is nice. This is the 4 AA batteries and drywall screws. And here we go. And then here is a little manual, so I'll take a look at this. It just says, tells you what's in the box, tells you to install the batteries, and then you set up the clock. There's a little button on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. And here we go, right here on the back. Just install these. All right, and then it looks like I'm just supposed to push this blue button here.
Sorry, you are trying to set up Echo Wall Clock on a device that is not compatible. Please try again on another Echo device.
Well, what we just learned is you cannot set it up with the Amazon Tap, but that's okay because we have other Amazon devices. I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and this is the Amazon Echo, and so I'm going to plug this in. This is a plug-in one. Set up my Echo Wall Clock.
Okay, press and hold the pairing button on the back of your Echo Wall Clock for up to 10 seconds until the light on the clock's face pulses orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and the light will turn blue once paired. You can also pair or unpair your clock in the Alexa app under the Bluetooth settings of your Echo device.
It's blue now. The clock just moved. That was really neat. I did nothing. It was doing its setup. And it doesn't make any noise. That's crazy. I could see it on the camera that it's moving, but I don't hear it moving. That's a really nice clock. All right, it looks like it's done. It ran through all of the numbers. That was pretty cool. So I'm gonna test it out because the whole point of this is that it will actually show us when we have like a timer, it'll show us how much is left. So we're gonna see how that works. So I'm gonna set a timer for a minute. Set timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Cool. Can you see it? It's counting down. You see right there? Counting down. This is exciting. Let's see what happens when it gets to the end of the minute. I'll speed this up so you don't have to wait here a minute. Stop. Oh, that was pretty cool. So it counted down and then it flashed the whole thing. So that was very neat. This is a very simple clock. It doesn't do a whole lot beyond be a very cool clock. And also, this is not a clock you have to set with daylight savings time because it will keep on track with that. I'm really liking this. I think we're actually going to put it right up here in the garage so we can keep track of our timers and those sorts of things. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments below and we'll keep you updated into how we're liking this.
Thanks, Steph. As you know, we love our technology and look for more of that in future episodes. But next, we're going to get to our fast DIY. And this one just came about because we were wandering around the aisles at the Home Depot.
As we do.
Yeah, as we do. And we discovered you can buy replacement handles to go on your faucet in your bathroom, which, we never even paid attention to. And then one of Steph's guest bathrooms looking pretty bad. So we thought, well, let's see how it works, see if it's easy enough to do. And we did it, and it's super fast, and it's a great way to make an improvement in your bathroom that packs a big punch.
So take a look at this super fast DIY. The first step is to take the packaging off of the new handle. Here I am just opening that up. And once I get the handle out, I'm just going to pop the top right off. And you can do this with any kind of paper clip, or this is actually called a black stick here. And now I'm popping off the front of the old handle. And now I'm just unscrewing it with a screwdriver here, taking out the one screw, taking off the handle, and I'm doing a little bit of cleaning before I put the new handle on. And once I get that clean, then I'm going to put the new handle right in place. And once it's secure, then I'm just going to get my screwdriver again and screw that into place. Once it's secure, all I have to do is pop that top back in. There's 2 little grooves that the top fits into, and you just push it in place, and then you're good to go. It turns on and off, and perfect. Here you can see the new one is nice and clear. The old one was a little yellow, so this is a great new addition. Now, before you leave a comment saying I need to replace my whole faucet, I know, but this is not my forever home, so I've chosen not to replace some of the faucets in the house. It's pretty much just like a builder's grade. So I'm glad I could just replace the handle, and so I add a little bit of, clean and nice look to it without having to replace the whole faucet. So now it's time for some laughs, okay?
Yes, some bloopers.
Yes.
And what you see in a finished video is a really nicely edited video, taking out all the flubs and things like that. And we always add a blooper, usually add a blooper at the end. But sometimes when we're doing a shoot, it's like, oh, there's trucks outside, dogs are barking, the lawn service guy has come to do the yard. This particular video that we did had all of those and more. So take a look at some of the bloopers that we got out of that one video shoot.
Okay, right.
Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
8 months ago, I got this cutie right here, and we've been oh my gosh.
Oh, gee whiz.
How many
Where did that
vehicles
come
were
from?
there? These vehicles didn't even go down there. It's
Where
almost
did it come from?
I don't know. It's almost like we schedule filming outside whenever vehicles
Oh my
are.
goodness.
Yeah,
I
it's
saw
like
2 of them, but I didn't know where that's...
Okay, take 11. I am melting.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna do it loud.
My brain is melted.
And yeah, I'm sure you can see the sweat just rolling off my forehead. Okay.
I can sure see it.
What?
We did it!
We did it! Yay!
Mac, oh,
Mac.
you're so on point. You're so good. You're so
Yes,
talented,
yes.
girl. So talented.
Yes, okay.
You got the tongue action. Oh, so good. Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's hot.
Now the attachments for this, for the hose here, these work really well. They're just this easy. There was a bug that just flew in front of the lens.
Oh my goodness.
It's gone now. Okay.
We're gonna have more bloopers on this. So.
We got the bloops going. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed those bloops. Those are just some of the things that happen behind the scenes of when we're filming. As I said at the beginning of the show, we are doing a giveaway right now. You can enter now, and there's a whole week left to enter. And we are giving away 10 bottles of the Wet and Forget shower cleaner. So we'll put a link to that below.
So that's our show. We hope you join us the next time, and we'll see you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, if you like this show, you're going to enjoy these. So check out the last 2 Workshop Wednesdays.
And bonus, if you notice something missing in last Workshop Wednesday that we've replaced this week, let us know in the comments below, and we'll give you a shout out because something was not in our last show, but is in this show.
I have no idea what it is.
Mom doesn't even know.
I do
so
not know.
If you catch it, you let us know.